Case Study: Wong vs. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. Introduction. The case of Wong vs. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. holds significant implications for legal precedent regarding property rights and contractual obligations. This case study aims to dissect the complexities of the case, examining its impact on the legal landscape and the rights of individuals involved in property disputes. Parties involved. In Wong vs. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd., the plaintiff, Mr. Wong, brought a claim against the defendant, Beaumont Property Trust Ltd., alleging breaches of contract and infringement upon his property rights. The parties' respective roles and interests are crucial to understanding the dynamics of the dispute and its legal ramifications. Parties involved. Facts of the case. The case stemmed from a contractual agreement between Mr. Wong and Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. regarding the lease of commercial property. Disputes arose over various aspects of the lease agreement, including maintenance responsibilities, rent payments, and use of the property. These conflicts escalated, ultimately leading to legal action initiated by Mr. Wong. Legal issues. At the heart of the legal proceedings were questions surrounding the interpretation and enforcement of contractual terms, as well as the rights and obligations of parties involved in property transactions. The case raised important legal principles pertaining to contract law, property law, and the resolution of disputes through litigation. Trial proceedings. The trial featured an extensive examination of the evidence presented by both parties, including contractual agreements, correspondence, and witness testimonies. Legal arguments centered on the interpretation of contractual terms, the fulfillment of obligations, and the alleged breaches of contract by the defendant. The trial process provided a platform for both parties to assert their claims and defenses before the court. Decision. In its judgment, the court ruled in favor of either the plaintiff or the defendant, based on the merits of the case and the application of relevant legal principles. The decision elucidated the court's reasoning and legal analysis, providing clarity on the rights and responsibilities of the parties involved in property disputes. Significance and impact. The judgment in Wong vs. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. holds significant implications for property owners, landlords, tenants, and other stakeholders in the real estate industry. It establishes legal precedent regarding contractual obligations, property rights, and dispute resolution mechanisms, influencing future interpretations and applications of the law in similar cases. Critique and controversies. While the judgment in Wong vs. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. provides clarity on certain legal issues, it may also give rise to debates and controversies surrounding specific aspects of the case. Critics may question the fairness of the decision, the adequacy of legal representation, or the adequacy of legal remedies available to parties in property disputes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the case of Wong v. Beaumont Property Trust Ltd. offers valuable insights into the complexities of property law and contractual obligations. Through a meticulous analysis of the case's facts, legal issues, trial proceedings, decision, and broader implications, this case study sheds light on the multifaceted nature of property disputes and the role of the legal system in resolving them. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.